My name is Mike and I'm a teacher for Viz Academy, and let me show you how to reach the next level. VizMaker is an AI-powered tool created for architects, interior designers, and visualization studios. It doesn't replace rendering, it extends what you already create. From a single image, you can generate multiple variants, methods, animations, and marketing content without rebuilding your model from scratch. Here are 5 reasons why VizMaker is made for you. 1. Time and cost efficiency. Different seasons from one home, 1 minute of work, not all night render, less time spent on revisions, more creative options for your clients, and real savings in both time and your budget. 2. Flexible. Upscaling images, videos, 3D models, all engines in one place. No switching between tools, so no constant logging in and out from different platforms. 3. Simplicity. VizMaker works with a clear tree-based branches structure. You connect elements step by step like building blocks. This means you always know where everything comes from. There's no way to get lost in your own project. 4. Easy prompting. VizMaker gives you full flexibility. You can write your own prompts if you want full control, or you can use pre-made presets if you want fast, proven results, and if you want to create a prompt that works well for you, you can save it and reuse it anytime with a single click. There's no need to write the same prompt again and again and again. This way, you will work faster, stay consistent, and focus on creativity, not repetitive tasks. 5. Free education. On our YouTube channel, you'll find free VizMaker trainings that walk you through different projects step by step. You'll get ready-made projects, prompts, and free knowledge showing you exactly how to create each result. Anyone who wants to create visuals faster, work smarter, and present ideas the way that truly connects with your clients. VizMaker is not just another tool, it's a new way of working with visuals. Check the link in the description and download VizMaker and test it for free.